Welcome to our tutorial on how to count and sum cells based on their background color in Excel. We'll explore a VBA solution that empowers you to analyze data visually, even when Excel's standard functions can't. Excel's functionality, while extensive, doesn't include a native way to count or sum cells by color. This is where VBA comes in, offering a customizable approach to fit your needs. To harness the power of VBA, start by opening your Excel workbook and navigating to the Developer tab. If you don't see it, you may need to enable it in Excel's options. Press Alt plus F11 feet or select Visual Basic to access the editor. In the VBA editor, you'll create a new module, which serves as a container for your custom functions. Click Insert, and then Module to start. Now, let's dive into writing the VBA code. This script will define a function that can count or sum cells with a specified background color across a range. The function countColor by bgcolor is designed to take a color reference, a range of cells to evaluate, and an optional boolean to switch between counting and summing. It uses color indices to match cells and perform the required operation. Once you've pasted the code into the module, it's crucial to save your work. Use the File, Menu and Save option in the VBA editor to ensure your function is securely stored. Return to your Excel worksheet, and in cell F2, enter the formula. Equals countColor by bgcolor. E2, $1, $C4, false. To count cells with the background color specified in E2 within the range B1, C4. After you press Enter, Excel will display the count of cells matching the background color in the adjacent cell, making it easy to visualize and analyze your data. To sum the cells with the specified background color instead, change the formula to equals countColor by bgcolor. E2, $1, $C4, true, where true indicates the summing operation. To apply this function to different colors, simply change the cell reference in the formula to the new color sample. This flexibility allows you to analyze various color-coded datasets with the same function. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to create a VBA function to count and sum cells based on their background color in Excel, providing you with a versatile tool for data analysis. Thanks for watching our tutorial. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask. Don't forget to subscribe for more Excel tips and VBA tutorials to enhance your skills.